Hello everyone, I am Dr. Kaushik Nag, working as Assistant Professor in Community Medicine, Tripura Medical College. On the occasion of World Heart Day on 29th September, I wish you all a healthy heart and healthy life. And so, on this World Heart Day, I will take this opportunity to discuss on what is high blood pressure, that is hypertension, and how to prevent high blood pressure, because hypertension is very common in our country and also in other countries. It's a very dreaded non-communicable disease. So we have to know what is hypertension and how we can prevent. So usually everyone would like to have healthy or normal blood pressure, but what exactly it means? Basically, each time when our heart beats, it pumps blood into the blood vessels, and this creates pressure against the wall of blood vessel, and this is called blood pressure. Normally, in a healthy person, it rises and falls throughout the day. But when blood pressure remains high for a longer time and if it is left untreated, then it can lead to serious health complications like cardiovascular disease, stroke. So, high blood pressure usually develops over time, and it can happen because of unhealthy lifestyle choices, like if we don't do regular physical exercise, if we are suffering from some non-communicable disease like obesity, if we have some unhealthy behavior like smoking, high alcohol consumption, and if we are taking lots of stress in our life. Other risk factors are like increasing age, and if there is any family history of high blood pressure, and if we have a habit of taking excess salt in our diet, and we consume processed and fatty foods like chips, bakery products. So moving on, the hypertension does not have any obvious sign symptoms, so that's why it is also known as silent killer, like another non-communicable disease, that is diabetes mellitus. So measuring blood pressure is only way to know whether person has high blood pressure or not. And if a person expressing some of these symptoms, then one should get their blood pressure checked. Symptoms like sometimes there may be headache, sometimes there may be neck ache, sometimes the person may have dizziness, vertigo. So then we should check their blood pressure, and we can identify whether the person is suffering from hypertension or not. So normally in a healthy person, the blood pressure should be around 120 by 80 millimeter of mercury. And whenever it is more than 140 by 90 millimeter of mercury, we call them as hypertension. And so next part of the talk is how to prevent this hypertension. So we can adopt some healthy lifestyle behavior. We call it lifestyle modification. One is your regular exercise and physical activity, and we usually recommended 30 minutes per day of physical activity, at least five days in a week. So around 150 minutes in a week, we can do some regular exercise like walking, jogging. If we have the facility of swimming, also we can adopt. So both aerobic and anaerobic is good, but aerobic is better. Like in the form of walking, jogging, we can do in our daily lifestyle. And healthy diet. So diet also plays an important role in controlling blood pressure. As I told earlier, also somebody has the habit of taking extra salt in their diet. So we have to stop this habit, and we follow a approach that is called DASH diet, that is dietary approach to stop hypertension. So it has been seen that if we follow this DASH diet, that means the diet will be rich in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and it will be low in fat dairy products, and it will be deficient on saturated fat and cholesterol. So thus it will help in reduction of blood pressure by 11 millimeter of mercury. Another way of reducing our blood pressure is reducing sodium intake in our diet, and usually we recommend it should be less than 5 grams per day of salt. Nowadays, if the person is hypertension, it should be around 3 grams per day. Next is if the person is having a habit of smoking, then we should advise them to stop smoking, because smoking also increases the chance of high blood pressure. And next is we have to monitor the blood pressure regularly so that we can identify any undetected hypertensive patient and we can start their treatment. Also, the person who are diagnosed to be hypertensive, we can advise them to check their blood pressure at their home also. Then stress management is another important, that is by learning how to relax and manage stress, we can advise them to do pranayam, yoga, meditation, also to listen to music, and also they can do some meditation if they can do it. So this will also help in reduction of stress in their life. And last is, if the person is taking some antihypertensive, the person should continue this medicine so that his blood pressure is in control. Otherwise, if the blood pressure is not in control, then there is chances of other complications like cardiovascular disease, then stroke. So we have to prevent all those complications by keeping our blood pressure in target, that is less than 140 by 90 millimeter mercury. So at last, I would like to suggest that there is nothing more precious than having a fit and healthy life, and adopting a healthy lifestyle can help us to enjoy a long and healthy life. And high blood pressure can be prevented as well as controlled in many ways, as I told you. And it is very much possible to maintain normal blood pressure level with regular monitoring and preventive care. I wish you a healthy heart, healthy, and I wish you that you all remain healthy on this World Heart Day on 29th September. I, Dr. Koshinath, thank you all for your patience. Yeah.